Hi, my name is Michaela, and I'm here to show you the new starter kit options that you can choose from in our new Celebration catalog from January 5th to February 28th. Join Stampin' Up! As an independent demonstrator and help others discover the joy of creativity. And if you join during Celebration, you can choose from 3 exciting starter kit options. Option 1 includes the exclusive Boho Blue Mini Machine, your choice of $175 USD of Stampin' Up! Products for only $129. You want to know what makes this machine so special? It's a sneak peek of our 2023 to 2025 in colors. The Boho Blue Mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine is compact and great for crafting on the go. It has a 3.5-inch platform that works for many smaller dies and embossing folders. The machine includes all the plates you need to get started. Option 2 for joining Stampin' Up! As an independent demonstrator during Celebration is the white mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and your choice of $175 USD of Stampin' Up! Products for only $129 USD. And option 3 is your choice of $175 USD of Stampin' Up! Products for only $99 USD. For pricing in your market, talk to your local demonstrator today or visit StampinUp.com to learn more about earning free product and joining Stampin' Up! These offers make it a great time to join. And don't forget to inspire, create, and share.